Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And today we are going to do some epoxy and we are going to make some self-defense keychains. So I got these two little self-defense keychains here. One came from Amazon and one came from AliExpress. They're pretty much the same. The one from Amazon's a little bit heavier. It also costs a little more. All right, and I am going to mix up some epoxy, and we are going to use this Glitter Chimp glitter. It's called Potter, and it is a UV glitter, so it changes its color in the sun. So you can see it's like this white color like this. I only took it out for a second, but it turns into like this yellow color. You can see that's why I didn't put it on the sun, so you can sort of see the difference there. And it's fun. I have some, like I haven't used it, and I bought it thinking that it would be cute for like, you know, something with like a baby reveal, because I have some that's white that turns pink and some that's white that turns blue. All right, so I'm gonna just mix up my epoxy. And I just eye it from down low to make sure. This cup might be too small. We'll see.
I might just make it.
All right, I'm gonna stir this for 4 minutes and then we'll come back. I'm not putting this in the epoxy mixer because it's too much and it'll go all over. All right, so I'm all mixed. Now, if you want to kind of cheat your mixing process, you can put your epoxy in a warm water bath. You can put it, once you put it together, you can put it in one to sit. Just make sure you don't get any water in it, or sometimes I put my actual containers in the warm water, and that will kind of cheat your mixing. Ooh. I should have used a bigger cup, but I didn't. I remember how cathartic this is to just sit and mix this. Look how pretty that looks. Let's see if we have enough for both of them. I feel like we should. I think that these don't take too long. Now the thing with these molds, I'll go over and kind of wipe everything. You don't want, like, you want your little eyeballs and stuff to poke out. Your eyeballs are where you put your fingers. So you want your eyeballs to stay open. And then this is your little key hole there. Oh, I made way too much. Maybe we'll make some keychains too. I mean, not keychains, some things for phone grips or badge reels. The thing is, if you've gotten it sort of like over areas that you don't want to, like on your eyes or whatever, once it just starts to harden just a little bit, it's still sort of tacky, you can come in with something and just sort of like clean it all off before it hardens completely and stays. Make sure you get up in your corners good. So as you can see, that took like hardly any epoxy whatsoever. And these things sell really well and they don't take much epoxy. So, and let's see, let's go ahead and do this guy here too. Since we have make a badge reel out of him. And we've still got more, so maybe we'll do 2 badge reels. So this guy here is not completely full, so we'll probably add a little something to him. All right, we'll let these dry and then we'll come back. All right, friends, we are back to take a look at our molds and see how they do. I love taking molds out. Oh, look at it. That's so cute. Okay, so see, so you put your keychain here and your 2 fingers here, and then ooh, nice and sharp little self-defense keychains. Yeah, these are so cute. And then this is our little Mickey that we did. We'll make a badge reel with this. So I'm going to put that to the side. Let's take this out in the sun and see how it looks. Yeah, this turns to like a yellow kind of color. Turns to like a yellow kind of color. So these are definitely cute. All right, well, listen, I hope that you like it, and I hope that it was helpful, and I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.